Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you change store name in Redbubble. So let's get into the video. It's pretty easy and straightforward process. So what you have to do, go to Redbubble and then log into your account. So make sure you're logged into your account. So once you're done with that, then what you're going to do here is on your top right here, click on your account option. So click on it. Then once you click on it here, you'll see an option called account settings. Click on account settings. So once you get to account settings, so under account settings, you'll see edit profile option. So click on edit profile option. All right. And then here, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down all the way till you see this copyright information here. So under copyright, you'll see copyright name. So that's actually your store name, okay, your shop name. So what you can do here, so you can change that if you want to. So you can change to whatever uh, that you want to. So what would make whatever your changes are. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is click on save changes, okay. And once you hit on save changes, and that will change your store name or shop name. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.